Hi class, this is Miss Leisure. So I want to go back through real quickly with you constructing the equilateral triangle. You're probably going to want to practice this because it does show up later on the quiz and we use it so much. I have here just a hardback from a note card because I don't have a ruler. But anyway, first thing you want to do is draw a radius, and you can make it as big or as small as you want. And you want to label the two ends. I'm going to label it as ML as my initials, just for the heck of it. And then you want to take your compass, and you want your compass to be, and I'm trying to figure out where to put my hands because this is not easy to videotape. And so you want to make it the width of the M to L, okay? And then you're going to draw a circle. I tend to move my paper more than I do the actual compass. And like I've told you before, the other day, you want to make it light. All right, hold on. I dropped my pencil on the floor here. Okay. Now, so I stabbed L and I drew my circle, the same arc measurement. Now, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to stab M. Keeping this the same length as from M to L, now I'm going to draw my circle again. And like I said, I tend to move the paper more than I do the compass. All right. There we go. All right, so your equilateral triangle, my hole's kind of digging out there. Another thing, just to throw this out, is if you can take a notebook, a notepad, or anything, and especially a notebook, if you take a notebook or even the front of your book like this, if you take that and you put it underneath it, it will help with your compass and where it's dabbing in so that it holds it steady and it's not moving all the way around. Okay, so back to this equilateral triangle. So our intersection is here. So we're going to name that, I'm going to name it MS and then L because my name is Melissa Stroman Leisure. That's my maiden name. And it's MSL, and my husband says it actually stands for missile. Yeah, LOL. And I'm going to draw this side. So this is an equilateral triangle, but why? Why are these two sides equal? Make sure you can see this. If I look at only this circle here and cover the circle up over here, hopefully you can see that MS and ML are radii of circle M. And then if I cover this circle up and we only look at this one, hopefully here you can see that L's the center and ML is congruent to LS because they're the radii of circle L. Now, is there another equilateral triangle in here that I can draw? Yeah, I can add this one, and I'll just put an E down here and connect these points real quick here. Remember, I told you to draw lightly, that way you can erase your mistakes. Okay, and again, here's another equilateral triangle. Gives me the shape of a diamond. It's actually called a rhombus. Four sides are all equal and not angles, no right angles. Okay, now, your project tonight is, I believe it's exploratory number 2. And yes, and you get 5 extra points on your first quiz here. Now, this one asks you to do a hexagon. And remember, it says to put it on a separate sheet of paper. If it's not put on a separate sheet of paper, I don't care if it's lined or not, it will not get credit. If it's in your book, I'm not giving you credit for it, okay? And so the next step, I'm not going to give you the whole thing, but I'm just going to give you a hint. What I want you to do is take your compass, the same width that you've had it, stab S now, or stab E, it doesn't matter which one, And draw another circle, okay? Draw another circle. Okay, and now now can I draw another equilateral triangle? Okay, so draw that equilateral triangle and then sit back and look and think, how can I now connect, and what else can I draw? Can I draw other circles, other lines? What else can I do now to get a hexagon? Okay, remember a hexagon has 6 sides. Nope, it's not a stop sign. It has 6 sides. And because the word regular by the way, a stop sign has 8. That's called a, do you know? Yep, it's an octagon. Okay, so a hexagon is regular because it has all the sides congruent and all the angles congruent, okay? And that's what makes it regular. That's the definition of regular, is all sides congruent and all angles congruent. And a hexagon, I always remember it because it has that X in it. So that gets me to the word 6. So it has 6 sides. All right, so good luck on that. It's due our next class after Labor Day. So you should have your tools and everything, supplies ready to go at home. So you'll have your compass and ruler so you can do this. Enjoy, have a great Labor Day weekend, and peace. Talk to you later. Bye.